To access reports, navigate to the Reports tab from the left-hand menu and clicking on Reports. This will take you to the Reports Center, where you can access a wide variety of pre-built financial reports. In the Reports Center, reports are grouped into categories such as Business Overview, Who Owes You, Sales and Customers, Expenses and Vendors, and For My Accountant. Browse these categories to find reports relevant to your business. Click on the report name to generate it. QuickBooks will automatically pull in your financial data and display the report on the screen. There are several key report categories in QuickBooks. Firstly, we have the business overview. You can get a high level view of your business's financial health, including balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow reports. By accessing Who Owes You reporting category, you can focus on accounts receivable to track unpaid invoices and manage customer payments. Then you have the Sales and Customers, where you can analyze sales performance, track revenue by customer, and monitor outstanding invoices. In the Expenses and Vendors category, you can track spending, manage expenses, and monitor amounts owed to vendors. And finally, in the For My Accountant category, you can use reports like the trial balance and general ledger for tax preparation and audits. QuickBooks allows you to star your favorite or most used reports for easy access. Starring your most used reports, such as the profit and loss statement, allows you to access them quickly for regular review. You can use report categories to quickly find the reports that meet your business's needs. Here's a breakdown of some of the most essential reports in QuickBooks and how they can help manage your business. Starting off with the profit and loss statement, it summarizes income, expenses, and net profit over a specific period. You can focus on specific revenue streams or expense categories by further customizing this report. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific time. You can understand your financial health and ability to meet obligations. By customizing this balance sheet, you can focus on specific assets or liability accounts. The cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash in and out of your business. You can monitor cash flow from operations, investments, and financing. You can focus on time periods or specific cash accounts by customizing this report. The accounts receivable aging summary shows which customers owe money and how long invoices have been unpaid. You can track overdue invoices and manage follow-ups for late payments. The accounts payable aging summary helps track bills you owe to vendors. You can monitor outstanding bills and manage cash outflow. The sales by product or service analyzes sales by product or service. You can identify top selling products or services and track trends in demand.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.